In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix website. Whether you've outgrown a personal project, are consolidating your web presence, or simply want to start anew. Deleting a website can sometimes seem daunting, but don't worry, we're here to make the process straightforward. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix homepage. Go ahead and open your web browser and type in wix.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your account credentials if you're not logged in already. This step is essential because it ensures that you have the right permissions to make changes to your websites, including deleting them. Once you're on the Wix homepage and logged in, direct your attention to the top part of the screen where you'll find an arrow pointing downwards. Click on this arrow, which will unveil a drop-down menu. This menu is like your Fast Track hub, allowing you to see and manage all your Wix sites in one place. In this drop-down menu, you'll find an option that says Go to All Sites. Go ahead and click on it. This action takes you to a more comprehensive view of all the websites you currently manage under your Wix account. If you have multiple sites, they'll all be listed here, making it convenient to find the one you wish to delete. Now, take a closer look at the list and identify the website you want to delete. Once you've spotted it, look to the right side, next to the site name, where you will notice 3 dots. Clicking on these dots will open another menu with several options. This is where you get to make critical decisions about your site management. From the menu that appears after clicking the 3 dots, you want to look for the option labeled Move to Trash. Click on Move to Trash, and you will be prompted with a confirmation. Wix does this to prevent accidental deletions, ensuring that you're making the decision deliberately. Finally, confirm your choice by selecting Move to Trash again in the confirmation dialog that pops up. And just like that, your site will be moved to the trash. It's crucial to note that just moving a site to the trash doesn't immediately delete it. This step holds the site in the trash, allowing you to recover it if you've changed your mind later. For complete deletion, you'll need to manage trash settings, but be careful as this action will be irreversible. That's it. You've successfully moved your site to the trash. If you have any further questions or need any additional help, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.